Welcome. If you're looking to automatically delete your Telegram account after 3 months of inactivity, this updated guide will walk you through each step. Whether you want a fresh start or just want your data gone, Telegram makes it easy to set your account to self-destruct after a set period. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of your screen for the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Tap on these lines to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage everything from notifications to privacy preferences. Next, tap on Privacy and Security. This section controls who can see your information and how your account behaves if you stop using it. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Delete My Account. Here, you'll see an option called If Away For. This is Telegram's self-destruct feature, which automatically deletes your account if you don't log in for a certain period. Tap on this option, and you'll see several time frames to choose from: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. For this tutorial, select 3 months. This means that if you don't open or use your Telegram account for 3 consecutive months, your account and all its data will be permanently deleted from Telegram's servers. After you've selected the 3-month option, your changes are saved automatically. There's nothing else you need to do. Just remember, if you log back into Telegram before the 3 months are up, the timer resets and your account will not be deleted. You'd need to set it again if you still want it to self-destruct. That's all it takes. Setting your Telegram account to delete after 3 months is a simple way to protect your privacy and ensure your information doesn't linger if you stop using the app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your digital life.